Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have another Valentino Beauty Pure unboxing, so let's get right into it. So I did pick up two acrylics. Alright, so to start off, I picked up two base coats because, well, I don't have, like I said, many base coats. I got the iGel Beauty one and that's pretty much all I have, but I wanted to pick up the Valentino one since I love their gel polish so much. I thought their base coat must be amazing as well. I also picked up another top coat because I got the base and top coat bundle and then I just picked up an extra base coat. So I also picked up their nail prep dehydrator and two of their super bond because, like I said, I want to try something else other than protein bond, so I'm giving these a shot as well. I also picked up two of their gel polishes. I got 051, which is natural, and 033, which is designer. Can't wait to try those. And then I picked up two acrylic powders and I picked up raspberry cream cheese because I've been dying to get that one, and I got their new one, peaches and cream, which it's labeled differently at the bottom, so that's new. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna use one of these today. This is how the base coat looks. Very sleek packaging with their black and silver. And this is how their top coat looks. Pretty much the same packaging, just that it says non-wipe gel top coat in compared to the base one that just says base coat. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with 003, which is designer. So this is how 003 designer looks, and it is a really dark, deep red. It does pull a little bit of like plum colors. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but it is really nice. It's giving me beets, like, you know, the vegetable, the one that Dwight farms. It's giving me beets red. Not very like dark blood red, like the red that I've been looking for, but just like a beets dark red. It has like hints of purple or plumminess, but it's still such a really good red for fall. So glad I got this. Next up we have 051 natural. So this is 051 natural and it is gorgeous. It is such a great nude color. Definitely more suitable, I would say, for medium skin tones, because for me it definitely pulls a lot warm and it's just so gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. Such a pretty color. Definitely don't regret getting this. So pretty. So the first shade that I'm going to swatch for the acrylics is raspberry cream cheese. So I'm going to be using the Long Hair Pretty Nails and Poochiez Nails collab brush in number 8. Okay, so this is how raspberry cream cheese looks, and it's such a soft, beautiful, literally like a raspberry mixed with cream cheese, so like a pinky creamy color. It's gorgeous. It's a little bit on the transparent side, but not really. Like, it could cover it if you build it up, but if you want it more sheer, then you could definitely leave it sheer, but it's such a gorgeous color. So next up we have Peaches and Cream, which is this lovely color, so peachy. So this is Peaches and Cream, and it's so gorgeous. I just love peachy colors. I know I don't have a lot on the tip, but it's fine. It's such a pretty color, guys. I am obsessed with peachy colors, and this is it. Let me just compare the swatches that I have with some of the swatches that I already have from other brands. So these are all the peachy kind of colors I have, and then this is Peaches and Cream. So it does kind of not look similar to any of them. Yeah, because putting it near Nude Panther looks more pink, and Peaches and Cream looks a little bit warmer. Putting it near even Cover Peach from Young Nails, it looks warmer, even more pinkier. So you see the peachiness in it. This one pulls a little bit more orange. And then Peach Blossom from iGel Beauty, you can just tell Peach Blossom is a little bit more on the coral side. So it pulls like orangey pink, and this one just stays a little bit more warm neutral. So it doesn't really look that similar to any of these colors. Even though they're the same, they definitely have different undertones. I would say the closest is to the Young Nails Cover Earth and Cover Peach, but you can tell the difference by a little bit. So yeah. So Raspberry Cream Cheese, comparing it to their other cotton candy and blushing that I have, it is a little bit more on the pinky side. This one doesn't pull as much white as the other ones, so it doesn't look as pastel, but still such a beautiful color. It doesn't really compare with any other one that I have either from any other brand. They're just not the same. They pull different undertones. They just look different in person as well. So the only one that I can compare designer with is Realistic Maroon from Kiara Sky, and they just look completely different. Like you can tell this is like a deeper red. It almost pulls a little bit more purple too, and this is just a more crimson red, I guess you would say. They're just different. As well as Natural just pulls a little bit more brown. These are like my nudes. It's Bear With Me and Sugar High from Kiara Sky, and then this one being Natural from Valentino Beauty Pure. They're different, but they're all nudes, so that's great. I like having different types of nudes, so I love it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed, I don't have my nails done and they're already prepped and good to go. So I'm actually gonna use Peaches and Cream to do my nails right now. So let's get started on that. Alright, so this is what I came up with. Yeah, I need to get better at encapsulating, but I did like a little ombre here. And I do have to finish up these nails, so that'll be part 2. And yeah, so I really like everything. This color, Peaches and Cream, amazing. I'll see how these hold up. I forgot to record that, so my bad. But yeah, this is how they look. But I am not done yet. I will be filming what I do next. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so hello there, future me, Gissel. Hi. I was gonna do a part 2, but actually, to be completely honest, it was gonna be way too short. It was only gonna be like 5 minutes long. Plus, I'm kind of like out of focus, like how I am right now. And it's really just a simple design. I only did 2 fingers, which were both my middle fingers. And I used Creative Outlet and white canvas from the Chiaroscuro gel art. And honestly, I just mixed white and orange to make that color. Also, I am using the detailer brush from Nails by Dev. Now I'm just doing like little pinkish dots. This color truly reminds me of la salsa rosada. It's like a mixture of ketchup and mayo, and in Spanish they just call it salsa rosada. So that's the color that this is giving me. And then I just use the orange color, which is Creative Outlet, to put some dots around the nail and the middle of the flower. So for these swirls, I am using Nails by Dev's Hella Cute liner brush, and it is just like her striper brush. It's really nice. And these are how the nails are looking so far. I will be using Valentino Beauty Pure non-white top coat. So this is the finished look. Usually when I do my nails, I take so long in doing them that when it actually comes to the designs, I get lazy. So this This isn't much, but this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and swatches. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!